Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to type the degree symbol on your iPhone. So let's get started. So in order to do this, let's go ahead and show you an example. I'm going to open up messages here so I can just type. In order to do that, let's go ahead and start by first, maybe I'm just going to type some numbers. And then if you want the degree right after the numbers, the key here is in the number pad that you're in, where you have the number 0, you want to long press and hold. And when you do that, another pop-up will see. If you see it right here next to it, if you slide over, is the degree symbol. So the key here is, again, get on your keyboard, get into the number, and then long press and hold that number 0 until you can slide over and then tap on it. So again, as you can see here, you can do that. If you just press one time, it's just going to give you 0. But if you press and hold, it'll activate that menu to get that degree symbol to type. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.